The Floral Creations collection has been so super popular, you can still get your hands on it as well. You're going to get 32 fantastic dies for you to be able to create your own floral bouquets with. Alongside that, you're going to get your 11 sentiment stamps, plus you've got all of your linen card as well, in perfect size, ready to be crafting those florals. You've got your summer collection, also your springtime collection, and also within the box, you're going to get your A5 instruction sheet, plus your storage box as well to keep all of your die-cut florals in. Platinum price is £40 or $48, and I know Debbie has got some fantastic cards to show you over the other side of the studio. It's such a great collection, this, Debbie.
It's an absolutely beautiful collection, but one of such good use. And for a crafting point of view, you're going to get so much usability out of this fabulous creation. Whether you take a flower and create a big masterpiece like this one, it is absolutely stunning. And again, you could take any elements of those to add all of your beautiful floral creations onto things like make your own wreaths. You could be elongating these onto any kind and style of card. But what about taking them into the center of your cards as well? And this is the kind of thing that you are going to be able to do and create using these beautiful floral dies and stamps. Absolutely exquisite and so useful, because it doesn't necessarily have to be just card making. Take it into your box making. Keep your flowers flat or keep them nice and raised, give them that shape. What about adding that extra little bit of detail to a beautiful envelope and creating a lovely little belly band and then sealing it all with those gorgeous flowers arranged in such a way. And it's not just about card making either, because you're going to be able to use these in your scrapbooking pages, your home decor pieces, card making, of course, box making, and so much more, because it literally is the most amazing, versatile collection and a very usable collection of flowers. Who doesn't love a flower? Because I know I do, and I know you are going to love them too.
Absolutely. Just £40 platinum, $48 if you're shopping in the US. And it's brilliant, isn't it? The fact that you're going to get all of these dies included, 32 of them, just allowing you to create the most beautiful florals. And of course, you've got your summertime and springtime linen cardstock, 3x6 cardstock, which will allow you to create all of these fantastic colours. But then think about all of your papers, all of your cardstock that you've got currently in your craft room, which you can then bring into this collection. It is truly going to be one of those collections I think that you'll use year round for all sorts of people, for all sorts of occasions, right throughout all of the seasons as well. If you want to pick up yours, the Floral Creations collection, it is £40 if you're a platinum member and you're shopping here in the UK. If you're in the US and you're platinum, it's $48.